what we discussed
about the HANA security.
how we can perform as a audits. Okay, how we can perform
Yes.
authentications. Okay, so how we can perform as a authentications. Authorizations is nothing but very good.
Authentication.
Authorizations is nothing but so how they are getting authorization from HANA DB. So either user level, either role level, with the you can use the privilegizations.
Okay.
Coming to here, authentication is nothing but how we're able to log on to the authentication. Okay.
Okay.
So how we to log on to the HANA DB? How are you able to log on? Either you log
User
on
ID password. Oh, sorry.
either you log in as a studio based. Okay. Either you have to log on as a SMLA. Okay. Either you have to log on a Carbons. Okay. Those configurations. This is the authentication is different. How we can log on? HTTP or something like. Okay. Moving to authorization, how we can, and after that we're discussing as a encryption. Is encryption, how we can make encryption. Theoretical only discuss. Now you want to go for all one by one practical sets. Okay.
Yes. Sir.
Suppose for and how data will be encrypted. Okay, so I want to make a presenter. So please share the screen.
Just a second.
So how we can encrypt it? So here, two types of encryption is. There are two types of encryption here. TLS encryption, that is who are logging as a through agent, that is the connection you have to make it encrypted. Address. One more is the data volume encrypted.
Yes. Sir.
How your data volume encrypted?
By the security and
double click on the security tab. This is for data volume security. No, not editing. I'm saying for data volume fourth tab.
Yeah.
Just putting as a enable encrypted. Already somebody doing. Suppose I want to encrypt it. Uncheck that. Already unlock is and just click on it. Now what happened? Is connect.
Okay.
See, uncheck and execution. No, is decryption is going there. No means anybody is okay who are able to. So decryption pending is. It's taking some time. Okay. Below checking the status progress bar will be there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's taking some time. So this is the bus. Is decrypting you're able to reading as overall information also.
Yes, sir.
So again, what we do? Nobody see my data. Then again, what we do? I have to. And this what is the data? This is called as a data volume encryption by using a encryption by using the data
volume.
Okay, by using the okay. Even you have suppose you have when you go for this SAP HANA cockpit also you have encryption also there. And then what will do? What a process you're following, but you don't have now?
No.
So yeah, how we can encrypt that? How to encrypt SAP HANA cockpit? Go for main menu configuration. The configuration is there. Configuration tab. Open the SAP HANA cockpit. Then after that, you have to some tiles. Once is connecting through console our user.
Yes, sir.
Is okay. You're getting the tiles, and the tile you're having as a data security tile will be there. And you have to just double click on it. Again, there is also encryption is got. Just click on it, encryption. Okay, so these are the making as encryptions.
Yes, sir.
The next one is audits. Okay, how we can able type meeting as audits? Just go for audit here only. You're going to click on the security tab.
Auditing.
Just already enable is there. Okay, enable.
Yes,
So
sir.
which one you are target? Which your target here?
Yes, sir. This one. Auditing status.
Is enabled by default is disabled. We have to enable. That is okay. That again next one here. Next one here.
Database table.
So you have to encrypt like which one you have to database level. Okay, RS. Again here it levels. What is the red level? See? What is the red level here? Okay, critical
Database.
level.
Okay.
No, that is database. That is the target. Which one you take it? The next level. Critical level, alert level, emergency level. Okay, suppose I want to create my own auditing policy also. Just click on edit policies here. Video one plus symbol is then edit policies. Video plus symbol is then you can create your own policies. So you can create policies. Alert users. Users. Type it. Policy is then a policy name is just type it there. Alert policy first call. Here I can type it. Alert users.
Okay.
User alerts.
User alerts.
Okay, so yeah, okay. And next one is the password policy. Okay, audit actions. What is the action is here? There, just like double click on it, select the action. Action below one. That is status.
Okay.
Browse option. Go for user and management system option. Expand it.
Okay. Sorry.
Only alter. Sorry, not alter the user. Just click on alter. Alter the uncheck all. Uncheck all. No, taking an alert. Sorry, alter user. Click on OK. Sorry, you're putting at the policy also. Policy name also alter user. Policy name is a user.
Okay.
Alter user.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and even go for info level, audit level, alert. No, not even audit level is the change the level, change into warning. Okay, it's a warning. Unless you can get the alerts. Okay, assign that user. Who are able to change any user? Just click on enter the users. Which user you can assign it. Just click on browse option. System user something. Click on add.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then click on next target object. Edit tile to database level.
This we have to mention, sir?
No, it's not a mandatory. Just click on execution.
Okay.
Now what happened?
Audit configuration change.
If you want to do any changes for Divya 1, 2, 3, automatically what happened? If you want to adding or changing alternation, what happened?
A warning will be generated.
No. Volume audit logs will be generated. What is the warning is getting as a level is warning.
Okay.
Okay, it's getting as a warning.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So what type of actions you perform everything. So even if you want to create any users, this is also that. Just click on again edit policy. Actions is an is getting as a let's say.
Yes, sir. You have to click on this again.
Then again press add. Yeah, press add symbol. Create a user. enable, okay, the password. Okay, again, add one. If you want to do any changes for that rule, we're adding the rule. Okay.
Yes.
Click on exit. Okay, that also comes.
Okay.
But means like that's some critical users is there. If you want to do any changes, those.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is for studio based, and even you have to
Okay.
go for cockpit based also you can perform it. Even password policies there. Just check it. What are the password policies? The overall password policy. No, not here. Password policies. Next
Okay.
tab.
Yes.
So what is password
Okay.
minimum length?
8 digits. 8
So
characters.
minimum is like 8 characters, a combination of. So it should be what are the mandatory field here? What are the mandatory
Lowercase, uppercase, numerical, and a special character. I mean, special character is not required.
Okay, because if you want to check the checkbook, what happened? The special
That's,
character also.
yes, sir.
So user when the user is logged automatically, here lock user first. So how many minutes is it? Below one. Below one.
Yes.
So here
1440 minutes.
restricted. And here again milk us. User must be change the password. So how many times is it? How many times?
6 attempts are there. So after 6 attempts, it will be logged.
Yes. Okay, again minimum password lifetime. Password lifetime. Minimum 1, maximum 182 days. You can changing also. This is the just somebody putting. You can changing also. Okay. So here again, last used passwords means what happened? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Live
Hello.
one day. Hear me? Audio
Yes, now you can. Yes,
Okay,
yes,
yes.
yes. Okay. Now tell me. Yeah. Last used password. What is the last password? Is nothing but
Means
next one.
last
There.
whatever.
Yeah. Last 5 times. What are the password? You cannot repeat it. 5 times. Next one is in the next one. Okay. So lifetime
Last
of
use.
initial password is 7 days.
Okay, yes.
Means first of all, I'm creating till I'm not login. What happened? There is initially password. Because of when you log in, you can compulsory change the password. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Next one.
Identity providers.
Maximum
Cryptographics.
users. No, not no. Here only below the password blacklist is there. No? Okay. Below one password blacklist. Which password you want to make a blacklist? Like some fancy numbers you can make it. Like when you security, what happened? You have to restrict the illegal password. How to restrict the illegal password?
By having a certain blacklist so that
Yes,
they
like
don't use
suppose
it.
if fancy number India 123, welcome 123, SAP 123, those.
Okay, yes, sir.
So I want to disable the parameter. You have to put in the blacklist. Like in ESR 40 can make it. Now comment is normal one. You can make it.
Yes, sir.
Putting as a contain the case sensitive or not adaptive actions. Next one. Okay, SML providers. So who are able to log on to that is the program identity provider service. That is from login screen.
Okay, yes, sir. Sir, can you show it in the SAP cockpit level, like from your system, because I'm not able to log into the cockpit. So
Even in my system, also HANA DB is not installing there.
okay, in your system also you don't have the cockpit access?
No, I don't have the cockpit access. We're not installing first of all.
Okay. Because it'll be good if you have.
No, I don't have right now. It's,
Okay, sir.
one second.
Hmm.
No, today there is enough, no problem for that, because in entry point of view, today is enough.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Let me check. I will check.
Sure, sir.
It's not there here. No, it's not there. Tomorrow I will bring it. No issue. Tomorrow I bring the
Okay,
access
sir. Sure.
to all the
Yes, sir. Okay. Actually, because if we have the if we can see it, then we'll understand. Because HANA cockpit, it's little confusing to because you have those tiles and all that. It's not like the regular system. So
Okay. One second. Check it again.
sure, sir.
You will see my screen now.
No, not yet, sir. Okay,
Now?
let me check. Yeah, now I can see. Yes, sir.
The ferry implementation is there. You can access the rest.
Yes, sir. But these days, most of the systems have Fury.
Yes.
Yes. Like for HANA cockpit also we have HANA username and password to log in.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So that we log in web based. Like we have a link and we log into HANA cockpit through that link. So
Link only. The
okay.
I'm showing this slide. Are you able to see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
I'm log into the HANA cockpit.
Okay, sir.
It's not taking.
Maybe you would have saved these credentials.
Second.
Yes, sir.
It's not creating.
You can't reset the password, sir.
Okay. I take all the username passwords.
Maybe you could check the username once. So maybe the username.
Username is tiny only. It's
Okay.
you don't need any tiny. That's not what it's not trying. It's HDB. ये वाला OS level का password है.
Okay.
I don't have. Just check it.
Okay.
Trade labs and finite items.
Yes.
It's not big.
Okay. Yes, sir.
It's not big. Not that much again.
Okay. So the other credentials it was not taking.
Yeah, this is one.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
So here, what are we doing? Now I want to go for as a event. Where we want to go for as a cockpit offline administration. So you say now.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose now we have to go for users.
Mm.
So previous also backup is done. Check it where is backup and recovery.
Yes, sir.
All is not there again. They have only something like sometimes only there. Okay. For
Okay.
example, SAP HANA administration. So only documentation is not getting that. So here is saying, see how to create users. You can create the users, so all the users.
Mm.
The user password and check. Double click on it.
Okay. Yes, sir.
It's not showing that. Yeah. So now here you can doing an editing.
Mm.
Now I to change the password.
The one next to it. Oh, it's a copy.
Yeah, the execution option is not such.
Now edit. It's in the edit mode only, no, sir? Or it's in the display mode.
When you edit mode only, you do that's all.
Huh. Then why is it?
Start off.
Huh.
Check it out, check this.
Okay, sir.
Again, now what is the requirement now?
The encryption and the auditing wanted to check.
The resource is not available yet. Staff server number of date and access.
Under manage roles and users.
Yeah, usage applications, studio based.
Okay.
It's not all the pages. You have some other
Okay. Maybe this system user has only so many access.
Which one?
The user with which we logged in, sir, the system user doesn't have access to everything.
Yes, there is only. Because remaining users can change the password. So once this is what are the roles?
Okay. Yes.
I think that no problem next week. This week I will do the access.
Okay.
This is how we can log in.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Now share this.
So your voice is breaking.
I'm saying, please share the screen.
Okay, sure. Yes, sir. 1 second. Did you send me a request, sir? Okay.
Getting the request.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, next one is the audit is done, encryption is done. Now go for authentication. How we can creating as a users. Okay, then how we can creating as a roles. Again, suppose now I want to create a user. How to create user? Select the user, just like click on it, create a new user. Enter the username. You know the password. I mean, first time when you log in, that is the normal password. Something is should be one uppercase is compulsory. Showing wrong.
Okay.
Wrong. First one only showing the wrong.
Okay, so there should be one uppercase.
Yes, it will be an uppercase
Showing
and one
wrong
alphabet
again.
is required. Email length is 8 letters. The comma.
Still it's showing wrong. Okay.
Correct one. That is right. Just click on how we are able to log in like SMLA or normal. You can log in everything one by one here. Okay, just click on execution.
Okay. Do not create new SML identity provider. Okay.
You don't provide that. So you don't have provider.
Okay. Yeah, it got created.
Now it's created successfully. Now right click on and log on to that particular user ID. So how we can log on? Right click on HDB.
Right click on?
No, HDB.
Oh,
Right click
oh,
on.
I'm sorry.
Add with the system with a different user. Is there add the system with a different user? Same system with different user.
Okay.
Enter the name. First time when you log in, asking that please send the password. That is a common anyway. Okay, now he's able to log in. See again what are the folders is
Yeah.
contain, provisioning, and security. But backup is not getting. Suppose you log in first time, so again you log in.
Okay.
Again,
Yes, sir.
standard. Again, if you want to creating any, so here what is the role is by default assigned to your user ID. Check what the role is getting here. That's it. That's it. What is the role is there? Once execution, but what is the role is created here?
Where?
What is the role is there? 11. Right side below is there granted roles, public, system
Okay,
privatization.
public.
What is the
Yeah.
role is by
Public.
automatically is getting one.
Hmm.
Okay, even if you want to add any other role, first of all you want to create the role and assign it to this particular user ID. Again, how to create the role?
The roles.
Again, right click on. You don't have a right click. So if you want to create it, you don't have authorization. So you all the data. See what happened?
You need
What is
privilege.
authentication? You want
Privilege
privilegation?
role admin.
To perform this. Click on OK. How to provide and engage that privilegation. Go for system privilegation. Here only, right side is how you can provide that. System privilegation, right side. After granting role, so this user I want to provide some privilegation.
Okay.
What happened? Not public. Double click on that user.
Here?
Divya, no, Divya is Divya 456.
Okay.
Double click on.
Privilege.
Now go for system. No, system privilege, second one.
Okay. Yes, sir.
What the role privileges you're missing the role privilege. Just click on add plus symbol. Now
Okay,
type it
role
role.
admin.
Type it role admin.
Okay, it's grantable to other users and roles. Just execute.
Now click on execution. Grantor and grantor identity. You only providing that also. That's why I guess.
This one.
Execution. Somebody providing, not yours. You say grantor and me, you only providing that. If you log in your user, you can do. No? Go for system user ID.
Okay.
You say grantor, see, grantor and grantor both are identical. You log in, you will provide the privilegation.
Okay, you have to log in to the user and then provide.
From standard user, you can provide it. Double click on it. Now open that. Now add it. Type it.
Yes. Role admin.
Now it's time.
Yes, sir.
Now check if you're able to create the role or not.
Yes. To
The
create.
role here. No, just no need to. Yeah, no need to anything. Role will be created. No, you have to assign anyone. Assign it. Grant to user is in. Yeah, not directly. No. Save it. Just click on execution. That if you want to add another role, you can add it.
Okay.
Click on execution. The role is created successful. Okay. Now I want to assign this role to the Divya.
Okay.
How I assign again here? Not here. Again, we're not there. Gone to system, you can have that.
Okay.
Bring the user, grant the user. And already is added.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Assigning. If you're creating, if you only creating, that's okay.
Yes.
Okay. So again, suppose if you want to Divya about perfectly creating any table, so go for catalog folder. Go for catalog folder. Catalog.
Under the
catalog
system?
folder. No, it will be a user.
Okay.
Just having the full authorization. Go for catalog
Yes.
folder. Right. Create any one table.
This one?
Right click on create a new table. So you can enter the table name.
Yes, sir. You just create, okay, give the details.
Okay, yeah, just
Table
click on
name
next.
should be here. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, below you get the column name. Okay.
I got confused. So these details we have to give.
Anything, employee name, employee something, first name, last name, don't give any space now, where character, data type.
Okay. Similarly, like we can give some employee number. This will be an integer. So.
Yeah, okay. Give the length also. No problem, just click on save button. No, integer is no need, no need. Integer is no need.
Okay. Yes, sir. Click on execute.
Click on execution. Yes. Okay, now just right click on the table and just click on refresh. Right click on the table now. Create कर delete करो. Click on yes, okay. Delete is done. Okay. Actually, I have restricted this. No? So when I delete it, I want to getting error. Okay.
Okay.
So what error you will not try to, that is go for the privilegizations concept only.
Okay.
Okay. So you have to create one schema. Under the schema, you can assign the table. Now, if you want to create any table, you don't take a single error. You not authorize like this. So
Okay.
you're getting the authorize.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For example, so how we can do that? Okay. Now suppose go for that again system user your user ID. Your user ID. Your user ID.
User
And your
ID.
user ID.
Yes, sir.
And even no here to the right side.
Okay.
Go for your user ID. Assign the object privilege. Not there. System user ID. System.
Oh, system user ID. I got it. Yes, sir. Object level privilege.
Just click on add it. Now plus symbol. Suppose just one second. What will do? Double click on the schema once again. What is close this? Double click on the schema. Double click on schema. Double even schema. Even schema. Object privilege is there. 461 schema is created. The symbol you can call it. No. Here. Right side.
Hit this
No.
one?
Right side. Right side. Right side. Right side. Divya is there. No. Object privilegation below drive object is there. No? Double
Yes.
hold up.
Okay.
We're able to do all those things. Now you want to restrict that. What I'm restricted is
Okay.
to do
Create
anything.
any. Create any.
Yeah, create is me cannot do creating anything, deleting it to anything. That's okay. Suppose just click on add one. Just click on add. Give this SYS one privilegization. No, SYS. So SYS all will be there. SYS repository, SYS. So you can create your own schema is better. That's Scholar, SPS table, anything. So any table you're creating, enter any table now.
Table I deleted, sir.
Just you're typing what table name, just type the table name.
Here?
Yeah, create one table. No, just now we create one table. Enter the table name. No, here only, searching there only.
But we deleted that. It will be still there?
Okay, it's deleted now. Okay. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the data I should discuss later. Okay. Yeah. Now what we understand here, so this is one. Okay. Even SQL console based also I have to create the users.
Okay.
Okay. How to open? Just open that open system user ID.
Yes.
How to create the users through SQL based,
Okay.
query based. Okay. Double click on that.
Then?
Right click on. Open the SQL console.
Yes, sir.
create username. Password. Type it. Password. With some password.
Execute.
Better? No. Then
Username already exists.
take a different name.
Okay.
No, uppercase. Okay.
I have to. It got created. So.
Yeah, now it's done. Okay, now right click on and check it. Even if you want to log in, you can log in also.
Yes.
Okay, even if you want to create the role.
Yes, sir. Have to create role name.
Yes. Yeah. Select the query and execute it. Only select that query and execute it. Check it role is there and
Yes.
I want to assign a particular user ID. Write down assign to role, assign role to user.
Okay, we have to give role name. Sorry.
Assign role to particular user. You give the username.
Syntax error.
Remove that role. Role put in the remove. Assign is there. Remove that. Remove that. Always with the grant to two. I think grant is the grant. Assign is the assign.
Oh, shit.
Below.
Grant role.
No, don't type role. Just normal. What is the role? Is it just user also you can remove your username. Username also removed. User also removed. Check it. Yes. Okay, now check it. So the user is having the role also.
Yes. Yes,
Yeah.
that's right.
Yes. Even if you want to assigning as a, if you want to change the post the password, how we can change it? So you can use the alter command.
Okay.
So do that alter
Password.
user.
Okay, alter
Alter
user.
password you can alter username force password change. Force capital letter force
Oh, okay.
password change.
Okay, it asks for the password.
Yes.
Hmm.
Execute it. Against it, create.
Oh, I'm sorry. So okay, select that. Executed.
Now check it. The password will be changed. If you want to change the path, again write the query. Alter.
Okay.
Alter. User.
User.
Current user username. Password. What is the password again?
And then just execute. Got executed.
Okay, now check it.
I have to create, okay, login.
Now right click on add to reference system.
Cannot access system on host. Is that an error, sir?
Password is what is the password you given?
The one I changed. Or maybe
Yeah, that's
it's
okay.
or it's more
Uppercase.
than the record.
No, there is a common. It's a character after one uppercase, one lowercase, and one alphabet is required.
Yes, sir, I did that only. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now it's done. Okay. So even if you want to deactivate the user, how to deactivate it?
Okay.
Connect to user. Deactivation is not there. Drop is said there. Deactivation. You just okay. Just click on alter users. Alter user. Enter button. Alter user. Which is you want to deactivate it. Alter user. Okay.
But if we say alter every time, how will it know that we are deactivating it?
Which one?
Like if we click on, if we just type alter, how will it know that we want to deactivate it?
I'm not getting that.
Like now we want to deactivate the user, right? So if we
Okay.
just type alter user, so how will it know that we are planning to deactivate?
Command is not there. Command is not there. Again, continuation. Deactivate a user now. After this command is there.
Okay, okay. After this, after we just type alter, then we can deactivate it.
Okay.
Why is it giving an error?
Type it after that. Type it. It's not complete. The command is not completed.
Okay. So we have to just write deactivate. So just execute.
Deactivate. Deactivate capital letter is capital letter. Deactivate the letter and deactivate user.
Okay. User. Okay. If we write user 2 times, is it fine?
User now, user now, user now. After that, user now is there. User now. Deactivate user now. Letter, user now. Space is there. All are capital letter. Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Okay.
Yes. Now check it. That user was login. Now try to log on. Log on. No, log on to that user ID. I'm saying just log on.
Oh, sorry. It's okay. It's here. Again, log on. Okay, from the system. I get it. It's coming. Oh, already exists. Hold. Okay, it's already there. We need to first delete that.
Yes. Yes.
Because you already logged into that.
Where?
We already had that logged in, so I just removed that and now logging in again. Invalid username or password. Do you want to connect?
Yes. Visualization is connecting what? This deactivated. That's why.
Okay, it's asking the system user ID and password. SID ADM.
No. That is don't log on that because it's already there. Na?
Yes, sir. So it didn't log in. Got deactivated.
Sorry, not is there. No, is deactivated. How is login? Login is not possible. No.
Yeah,
Only
I
last
didn't.
let's not.
Yeah, I didn't log in. We got that error.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So these are okay. Remaining will be discussed tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
And tomorrow go for security concepts, how the privilegization, how we go for everything.
Okay, yes, sir. And also the HANA cockpit part, if you could just show
Yeah,
some.
yeah. I'll just something there.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.